Imagine there is a bank that credits your account with 86,400 rupees every morning. It won't carry forward. It writes off the same evening, whether you utilize it or not, the unutilized balance rather. What would you do? I would draw every last cent. Good afternoon, Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster and guests. I am Uma Anand giving CC4 speech today. We all have bank like this. It's time. Every morning it credits with 86,400 seconds and it writes off the unutilized whether we utilize the time properly or not. So we have to make best use of time. Why do we consider 24 hours to be a day when day is actually a period of time between dawn and dusk? Why does day begin at midnight? Midnight is the middle of the night, not middle of the day. Why do we have 7 days in a week, not 8? What is the reason for all these things? Just because we have calendar and clock, we tend to say that we have more time or less time? No. In olden days, people, they didn't have any clock or time. They used to follow the direction of sun, but they were punctual and sincere. After a lot of innumerable inventions, we tend to say that we don't have time. We complain it. Why? What is the reason? Because we don't know the value of time. Have you ever experienced the value of time? If not, please pay way or give attention towards it. To know the value of 1 year, ask the student who failed. To know the value of 1 month, ask the mother of a premature baby. To know the value of 1 week, ask the editor of the weekly. To know the value of 1 day, ask the daily wage worker. Know the value of 1 minute, ask the passenger who missed the train. To know the value of 1 second, ask the person who escaped from an accident. To know the value of 1 millisecond, ask the person who won World Cup in Olympics. Thus, scheduled management of time will give the person more time for him to do what he wants. It improves his availability. It improves his decision making. It improves his happiness. It improves his health. It improves his productivity efficiently and effectively, but thereby reduces the stress, which is more important for all of us. Thus, if you follow the following steps, we can rather minimize not utilizing the time properly or not. Thus, we have to keep a time record, fix a time for each and every activity. So, we have to see the work is completed within the given time frame. Set goals. We have to set short-term goals for a week, for a month or for a day also, and see that the time is spent in a systematic manner. Planning. If you have clear idea and clarity of thought, then planning will be a successful one. Then, interruption. Don't allow anyone to disturb you when you are doing an important work. Relaxation. It is also more important, right? We have ECC club now. Because relaxation is also more important, we have to spare some time for it. Meeting. Meeting means agenda should be set. I have seen many meetings that boss will come on time and he will be waiting for his subordinates to come. That should not happen. We should all follow the agenda set right. Otherwise, everything will drag behind. Then squandering time. Don't squander over time for lower things when we have set for higher goals we have. So we have to concentrate on that. Like our children used to see television during examination time. When cricket comes, it will be of mess for us. Procrastination. Don't allow procrastination. Don't allow this to happen, or we have to manage it in a best possible manner. Time is precious. Time is invaluable. Time is a powerful factor in everyone's life. Our life is measured in terms of time. We are living in time, we grow in time, and we perish in time. Time never stops for anyone. So we have to make best use of time. Even the powerful monarch and sun-surplus person, they are so the time won't wait for them. It is helpless for them. So those who make best use of time will grow and rise in life. Those who waste their time will lag behind. A popular proverb. I am taking you all to school days. A stitch in time saves 9. We would have all written essay on that. So a simple meaning of that is timely action prevents a great loss. So we have to make best use of time and see and grow in our personal and official life. Thank you for giving this opportunity.